Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a cooling time study. Create transient heat transfer solution, set temperature initial condition, and convection as boundary conditions. Visualize temperature and determine time needed to attain thermal equilibrium through a plot history. First, import the castingmodel.gda file. You can simply drag and drop. Create the thermal solution under the thermal physics section, then heat transfer. Set solution type to transient heat transfer and select the body. First, assign our material. Go to the property browser. By default, you should have aluminum loaded. If not, go to material and open built-in database. Open the solid folder and load the aluminum material. You'll find plenty more materials already included in SimLab. Select the body, right-click, and head to Materials. Assign it Aluminium. We must define the time it will simulate. For this, right-click on Settings and select Solver Settings. The two controls to edit are the number of time step and the increment. Let's set 60 number of time steps and 300 seconds of time increment for a total time of 1,800 seconds. Let's assign our initial conditions. Set a temperature of 933.5 Kelvin for the body. Next, our convection condition. Select the body and set a temperature of 298 Kelvin and a film coefficient of 6e to the -5. To define our transient convection, we have to create a table to control it. Select Create Time-Dependent Ambient Temperature and set the table as shown. Right-click on Settings, Result Request to enable all the type of results you need. To speed up your solving time, right-click on Settings, Format, and Execute options. Set the number of cores appropriate for your case. Let's start our solution by right-clicking on Results and hit Update. We can first visualize the temperature grid of the model. To plot the graph, head to the Results ribbon and open Plot. Click on the plus sign under the Curves tab. Select any node or element of interest. Open the Grid Temperature folder, select the only option and create Curve. You can visualize the XY data on the bottom part. You can also isolate the curve by right-clicking on the plot and select Hide Table. The same way you can export it